Me and my friend have set out to do another 1v1 pond fishing challenge. We both went through the ups and downs of fishing today, but eventually, one of us was victorious.
Caught my first fish on a frog. Let's go. 1-0, 1-0.
He's coming along.
Just caught my second fish on a spinnerbait. Nice little fish, 2-0. Alright, let's get a release on the second fish. Just caught my first one. Score is 2-1. He has the lead. Let's get a release on him. Just caught my third fish on a crankbait. Nice fat one right here. Get a release on him. 3-1. 3-1. Got a second one. 3-2. Look at the top of his mouth. Been eating dragonflies. Yep. 3-2. 3-2. Nice little fish. Get a release on him.
Look, there's the wacky worm.
Oh yeah.
Look at that mouth one more time.
Hold up, old son. Gotta get those angles. There you go. Bite's kind of slowing down, but getting a little later, so we're just gonna grind it out, see what we can catch. Just caught another one on the wacky worm. Score is 4-2. Small fish, but it still counts, so it don't matter. Let's get a little release on him. Just caught another one on the wacky worm. Score is 5-2. Let's get a release on this fish. Score 6-2. Just caught another one on the wacky worm. Competition started running to me. It's alright. 6-2. Let's get a release on him. Alright guys, tournament's over. I ended up winning 6-2. It was a good tournament. Had fun, worked hard for it.